Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a quick practical guide on how to disable call notifications in WhatsApp on your PC, especially with the latest update in mind. If you've been getting pinged by incoming calls and want a calmer desktop experience, this walkthrough will get you there in just a few taps. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. It doesn't matter if you're using Windows or Mac OS, the steps are the same across platforms with the new update. Once the app is up and running, look to the left-hand side of the screen where the main menu sits. At the top of this menu, you'll find a gear icon, which is the settings gateway for WhatsApp on desktop. Click that gear icon to enter the settings area. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options and you want to navigate to notifications. This is where WhatsApp centralizes all alert preferences, from message banners to sound choices. Click on Notifications to open the notification controls. Within Notifications, you'll find the option specifically labeled for call notifications. This is the switch you're going to adjust. Disable call notifications by turning off the toggle or selecting the corresponding off option. By doing this, you'll stop activity prompts for incoming voice and video calls while still keeping your message alerts and other notifications intact. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference when you're focused on tasks or trying to avoid interruptions. If you ever find yourself needing to re-enable call notifications, just follow the same path. Open WhatsApp, click the gear icon, go to notifications, and toggle call notifications back on. You'll be back to receiving calls alerts the moment you switch it on again. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If you use WhatsApp across multiple devices, the notification settings you adjust on PC don't always transfer to mobile apps in real time. Check each device's notification settings if you notice any inconsistency. Also, if you want to mute calls temporarily, some users find turning off in-app sound or notification sounds helpful, though that option may affect other alerts as well. Thanks for watching.